Hello everyone, I'm Rohit, and I, on behalf of Sierra Window Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. And here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for the different lessons from our chapters. And in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. And today, the chapter that I will be covering is from NCERT Board Class 1, Chapter 3, Subject Mathematics, and the name of the lesson is Addition. The innovation that I will use for covering this concept, for covering this lesson, is known as question bank. The main innovation behind using this idea is to make the students prepare questions through peer learning, which will in turn instill the value of cooperation among the students, leading to complete understanding of the chapter. And some of the important concepts that we will revise with the help of this innovation are counting the number of objects in a collection, recognizing, observing and recognizing the numbers from 1 to 9, learning to speak the numbers from 1 to 9, using the numbers from 1 to 9, and using real objects and pictures for addition, and using the symbol of addition. The duration for implementing this idea will be 20 minutes. And one of the main things that we should consider before implementing this idea is that we should complete the reading, building, and explaining part of the chapter before implementing this idea, as we will use this idea only as a means of revising the concepts. And before starting the activity, we instruct the students in the following manner. We ask the students to go through the chapters thoroughly once and then prepare questions out of the chapters. And since the questions will be prepared by the students itself, so it need not be based directly on the concepts, it can be directly from a chapter also. And after saying that to the students, we give them a set of questions as a reference so that they can get a concept of how they will build the questions. Some of the sample questions could be like, suppose you have 3 flowers in a flower vase, and you add 2 more flowers. How many flowers do you have now? Suppose you have 3 shirts in the almirah, and your father gives 3 more shirts. How many shirts do you have now? Meera has got 1 book in her bag, and her friend gives her 2 more books. So how many books are there with Meera? 5 toffees and 4 toffees will add up to how many toffees? 2 dots and 2 dots will lead to how many total number of dots? What will be the summation of numbers? We can also give them questions based on summation of numbers like dash plus dash equal to 6 or blank plus blank equal to 4 and so on. Then we can give them the addition of numbers like 4 plus 4 equal to or 2 plus 1 equal to and so on. We give them this set of sample questions. We ask them to go to the questions once and then we ask them to prepare their own questions. We also help them in case some of the students are finding it difficult to either read the chapter or in framing the questions, we help them to do so. Once the students have prepared the questions, are done with preparing the questions, we divide the whole class into certain groups. We select a leader out of the group, and the leader will be asked to compile all the questions from the group in such a way that there are no repetition of questions. And when we start teaching the students in this way, then we get a lot of benefits. First of all, when the students will be framing the questions on their own, it will help in developing the critical thinking and the decision making process among the students. It will also help in developing interpersonal skills among the students. And when we select a leader and he will be compiling all the questions, it will help in building the value of accepting others viewpoints and also help in building the teamwork among the students. Along with this, they will also be learning the concepts about counting of numbers and counting of numbers in of objects in collections or real objects, or how to relate pictures with objects and so on in a much more fun and interesting way. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. Although it's a very simple idea, I'm definitely sure that when you start implementing this in your own schools, you will get a lot of benefits apart from the ones which I've mentioned. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video. And if you want more of such videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ZIIEI. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also download our ZIIEI Innovative Pathshaala app from the Google Play Store. That's all for now. Thank you.